Fats Domino, Hurricane Katrina's forgotten rock pioneer. Born February 26, 1928, New Orleans, Louisiana. Antoine Fats Domino was the quiet giant of early rock and roll. His piano made America move with Blueberry Hill, Ain't That a Shame and Walking to New Orleans. He sold more records in the 1950s than anyone except Elvis. When Hurricane Katrina hit in 2005, Fats stayed in his home in the lower 9th Ward. Floodwaters trapped him and his family. Neighbours feared he'd drowned. R.I.P. Fats was sprayed on his house until rescuers found him alive, taken out by boat. He later received a new home and national honours, but his health was failing and he rarely appeared in public again. Passed away October 24, 2017, Harvey, Louisiana, age 89.